Did you know that you can check out from a hotel, check out books from the library, check out at the supermarket, and even check out the new cars at the auto show? Today, I'm going to show you several different ways that we use the phrasal verb check out and give you some example sentences so that you can see these in use. Knowing this vocabulary is going to help make your English conversation sound more natural and give you an edge on exams like the TOEIC, TOEFL, and IELTS. Let's study together. Welcome to this phrasal verb English lesson. I'm Michael from Happy English, and I'm so glad that you've decided to join me here today to learn English. Phrasal verbs like check out are commonly used in English, especially in spoken English. Using phrasal verbs will help you make your English sound more natural. Now, I know that learning phrasal verbs and actually remembering them is not easy. But don't worry, I'm going to help you with that. At the end of this lesson, I'll give you some tips as to what you can do right now to remember these phrasal verbs. By the end of this lesson, you're going to understand all of the different ways that we use check out. First of all, we use check out to talk about paying the bill when we leave a hotel. I'm going to guess you've probably used this meaning of check out before. For example, I'm going to have breakfast after I check out. We're lucky. The hotel manager said we could check out at 12:30. By the way, we use the noun form check out, which is one word, to talk about the time that you need to leave the hotel by. There might be a sign somewhere in your hotel room that says something like, checkout time is at 10 a.m. We also use check out when we talk about what we do at the library. You know, you go to the library, you find a couple of books that you'd like to bring home, and then you go to the front desk and you check out the books. In this case, checking out the books means to register which books that you're going to bring home with the system that the library has. For example, my mom usually checks out 2 or 3 books every time she goes to the library. At my local library, you can only check out 6 books at one time. We also use check out when we talk about adding up the total price for the items that you buy in a store. Here are some examples. At the Apple Store, you can check out at any table because the staff uses an iPhone as a cash register. Around Christmas time, there's always a long line at the department store to check out. We also use check out in casual English to mean to look at something or examine something. I checked out a couple of cameras at the electronics store. I think I'm going to go with the Canon. Hey, can I check out your iPad for a minute? By the way, in slang, in American English, in a casual conversation, we use check out to mean that someone has died. It seems like Apple hasn't created any new devices since Steve Jobs checked out. Keep in mind, the best way to remember this or any vocabulary in English is to take the word or phrase, write it in a sentence that's true for you or true in your world, and then memorize your sentences. You can even take your sentences and write them in the comments below. I would love to see your examples. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. Remember to leave your comment below, and I'll catch you next time right here at Happy English. Catch you later.